Today we introduce N851 construction stapler for framing and fixing. It features opening magazine design and larger cylinder. The crown is 7/16 inch, compatible with 1 inch to 2 inch leg length staples. Pull the stapler pusher to the groove. Load staples into the magazine and release the stapler pusher. The contact fire system makes it possible to fire only when in contact with a surface. Good work ability and strong penetration allow it to do the majority of the work and meet the most of your needs. It can work in a wide range of applications: pallets, crate assembly, subflooring, and shed building. Woodpecker, innovation never stops.